Hello friends, welcome to JH Official Voice Education. Today, we'll discuss an important question. Do you have a verified Binance account with USDT enabled? If not, you might miss out on secure and efficient cryptocurrency trading. In this video, we'll explain why account verification is crucial, the benefits of enabling USDT, and how to set up your account step by step. Let's get started. Segment 1. Why do you need a verified Binance account? First things first, what does a verified Binance account mean, and why is it necessary? Binance is one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges, offering a platform for buying, selling, and trading crypto assets. To fully access its features, you need to verify your account. Here's why. Security. Verified accounts are protected by Binance advanced security protocols, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. Regulatory compliance. Binance follows KYC, Know Your Customer, rules to comply with international regulations. Higher limits. With verification, you can enjoy higher withdrawal and trading limits, crucial for serious traders or investors. To verify your account. 1. Log into Binance and go to the Identity Verification section. 2. Upload a valid government-issued ID and a selfie. 3. Complete the verification process, which usually takes a few hours to a day. Segment 2. What is USDT, and why should you enable it? Now, let's talk about USDT, also known as Tether. It's a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, making it a safe and stable choice for transactions in the volatile world of cryptocurrencies. Here's why you should enable USDT in your Binance account. 1. Stability. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, whose values fluctuate, USDT's value remains stable, making it ideal for storing and transferring funds. 2. Trading flexibility. USDT is widely used as a trading pair with almost all cryptocurrencies on Binance. 3. Lower fees. Transferring USDT via networks like TRC20 or BEP20 is much cheaper compared to other cryptocurrencies. To enable USDT in your Binance account. Ensure your Binance wallet is funded with USDT. If you don't have USDT, you can buy it directly on Binance using fiat currency through methods like bank transfers, credit cards, or P2P trading. Once funded, you can use USDT for trading, transferring, or storing. Segment 3. Benefits of a verified Binance account with USDT enabled. Having a verified Binance account with USDT enabled offers several benefits. 1. Ease of transactions. With USDT, you can transfer funds quickly and securely without worrying about market volatility. 2. Access to multiple networks. USDT supports networks like ERC20, TRC20, and BEP20, giving you flexibility in choosing the most cost-effective option. 3. Enhanced security. Verified accounts have additional safety features like two-factor authentication, 2FA, which protects your funds. 4. Earning potential. Binance offers opportunities to earn passive income through staking or saving USDT in its Earn feature. Whether you are a trader, investor, or just someone looking to send money, these features make a big difference. Segment 4. Common challenges and how to overcome them. While setting up a verified Binance account with USDT enabled is straightforward, here are some common issues you might face. Verification delays. Ensure your documents are clear and meet Binance requirements. USDT not showing in your wallet. Double-check the network you used for depositing USDT, ERC20, TRC20, or BEP20, and ensure it matches your Binance wallet settings. Security concerns. Always enable two-FA and keep your recovery details updated to secure your account. Conclusion. So friends, having a verified Binance account with USDT enabled is essential for secure and efficient cryptocurrency transactions. It gives you access to a stable trading pair, low fees, and a reliable platform for managing your assets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to JH Official Voice Education. Drop your questions in the comments below, and we'll answer them in upcoming videos. See you next time.